In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to digitally sign a document using Adobe Acrobat. Digital signatures are a crucial tool in our increasingly paperless world, allowing you to sign important documents securely and efficiently without the need for printing them out. Today, I'll be guiding you through a step-by-step process to ensure you can add your signature to any PDF with confidence. First, let's start by opening your PDF document in Adobe Acrobat. Once you've got your document ready and open on your screen, look over to your left. You'll see an All Tools tab there. Found it? Great. Click on it and from the variety of options presented, select Fill and Sign. This feature is specifically designed for adding text, signatures, and other annotations to your document, making it an essential tool for today's task. Next, you'll need to click on the Add Signature option. This is where the magic begins. You're given a few methods to add your signature, allowing you to choose what works best for you. If you like a clean, typed signature, simply select Type and start entering your name. Adobe will generate a signature style for you, giving it a personal touch while maintaining a professional appearance. If you prefer a more personalized approach and are feeling creative, you might choose to use the Draw option. Here, you can use your mouse or a stylus to physically draw your signature onto the document. It's an excellent option if you're looking for authenticity in your digital signature, offering a close approximation to your handwritten one. We'll be using the Draw option for our example today, but feel free to customize as you see fit. Alternatively, if you've already got a pre-made image of your signature saved on your computer, you can choose Image to upload it directly. Simply click to upload and select your file. This is a superb option if you want an exact replica of your signature. Once you have your preferred signature ready, click on Apply. Now navigate to the area where you'd like your signature to appear in the document. Click where you want it to go and you've successfully signed your document. But that's not all you can do. You also have the option to use your initials instead of a full signature. Just click on Add Initials and go through a similar process. Choose between typing, drawing, or uploading an image of your initials. After you've made your selection, click Apply just like before and position your initials in the appropriate spot within the document. Following these steps, you'll be able to securely and efficiently sign your documents digitally, saving you time and reducing your reliance on paper. With this newfound skill, handling contracts or official documents will be a breeze. Happy signing!